How to add effects to your video call on Messenger. If you want to make your Messenger video calls more fun with filters and effects, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Next, open the conversation with the person you want to call. Now, tap the video call button in the top right corner to start the call. Once the other person answers, look for the effects or sparkle icon on the screen and tap it. You'll now see a collection of filters, backgrounds, and visual effects. Swipe through the available effects and tap one to apply it to your video. If you want to change the effect, simply tap another one or tap none to remove it. You can switch between different effects at any time during the video call. If you don't see the effects option, make sure you're using the latest version of the Messenger app, as some effects may not be available on older versions or in every region. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.